I think it's just a very positive environment to teach kids music and beyond, and we really do love it here.
We make MiniKeys class so fun through all of our storytelling and games and songs that we're setting them up for success. We want them to find joy in music so they continue their musician's journey. If we're giving them foundations in music, they can take these foundations and they can start private piano, they can start a guitar lesson, they can do vocal classes or drum lessons, or they can join an older band and make more music and write more songs.
I'm in half MiniKeys and half jam band. Yeah, we write our own songs. I've written about rainbows and unicorns.
I thought it would be great to put her in an environment where she could explore different instruments, explore a little bit of music theory, and it's worked. She's loved it, and I think that she comes home really excited about music, and I think that the approach is so great because it makes it fun as opposed to practice and very strict, and it's a little bit more fluid, and I think it makes it just more approachable for families and for kids.
Every January and June we have a MiniGig. This is a concert for families. They come into the room and we get to share the songs we've been writing, and we get to show them some of the games we've been playing in class, and the families and the students get so excited.
It's the community, definitely. We love being part of it. It's so familiar and comfortable and accepting, and I think for my kids, nothing's wrong. I mean, everything that they do is right. It's really encouraging and just so positive.